Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Nurse Alyssa, and today we are going to be talking about animal bites and first aid. But first, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because it does truly help my channel get to more people, okay? So let's get started. So what do we do if we're bitten by an animal, okay? First, we're going to clean the wound with soap and water. You can use an antiseptic to prevent the bacterial infection, okay? I always suggest povidone iodine or chlorhexidine. These are low tissue toxicity, so they are the superior antiseptics for cleaning out wounds. We want to remove any objects, okay? So teeth, hair, dirt from the wound, anything that might have got in there. You can flush it out with water really well, and then use the antiseptic. You're going to want to gently squeeze the area. Now, if it is bleeding a lot, it's going to push out any of the bacteria in there. But this will actually reduce the risk of infection. So if it's not really bleeding, squeeze it. Try to squeeze as much as you can out of it to reduce the risk of infection. Then you're going to hold the area with either dry dressing or dry cloth. Make sure it's clean. Hold the area, put a lot of pressure on it. Sometimes it can take up to 15 minutes for a wound to clot. Now, if for any reason it is not clotting after that 15 minutes, you should be seeking medical attention. Okay. And then you're going to dress the wound, put something over it once the bleeding has stopped. Take something like ibuprofen. This will reduce pain and swelling. So urgent treatment. So we need urgent treatment if you can't get out anything that might be stuck in that wound. So teeth, hair, dirt, okay? You would need urgent treatment. If the wound is hot or swollen, or you start getting a fever, emergency treatment, okay? If it's leaking fluid from the wound, okay, excessive fluid has a bad odor, unpleasant smell, seek treatment right away. If you were bitten on your hands or your head, go in for treatment. And then also, if you were bitten by a human, you want to go in immediately. So after any bite that has broken the skin, you want to seek a healthcare professional, okay? They will probably clean the wound, check it out, see if you need stitches, kind of sticky strips, or a special glue that'll close it. They might tell you that they want it left open, okay? Leaving a wound open, it allows you to clean it, remove any bacteria growth. It does, in some case, reduce the risk of infection, okay, and long-term complications. They will probably give you an antibiotic to prevent the wound from becoming infected. They will check your risk for tetanus or rabies, okay? If you have a bite and haven't had a tetanus shot within the last 5 years, they'll probably give you another tetanus shot. I know they're good for 10 years, but they more than likely after 5 will give you one, just to make sure. If you want to learn more about tetanus, I do have a video. I will link it here and put it down in the description. And that's about tetanus. And then if you've been bitten by a human, you need to definitely go in. They will probably offer you blood tests to check for hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV, okay? So I hope this video did give you a good idea of what to do if you or someone you know has been bitten by an animal. But that's all I have for this video, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.